Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove the first digit of a number in Excel. Here I have some numbers in column A and we will remove the first digit of each number in column B. Step 1. Write the formula. In cell B2, type the formula equals write A2 len A2 minus 1, then press enter. Excel will return the number without its first digit. Understanding the formula. Let's quickly understand how this formula works. Len A2 counts the total number of digits in the cell. Len A2, 1, reduces the count by 1, meaning we exclude the first digit. Write A2, then extracts the remaining digits from the right side. So overall, it simply removes the first digit and keeps the rest. Step 3. Apply to other cells. Now go to the bottom right corner of the cell. Double-click on the small plus sign, and Excel will automatically copy the formula to all other rows. And that's how you can easily remove the first digit from numbers in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.